Make them look good. Hey, hi, yo, hello, what up? It is LiDo for FirstLoved Designs. Welcome back to my channel. As always, let's start off, get right to it. What is on my face? At this point, I don't need to tell you that, oh my goodness, that I have Shape Tape foundation. I have the Shape Tape concealer. Listen, I have natural light going on today. Move my computer forward a little bit. If you can see my eyes, I've got some gold and some grayish black going on. I've got that guy, I've got that guy, a little bit of that guy, some of that guy, a little bit of that guy, and this. This is a Tarte palette. Surprise, surprise. It just says high performance naturals, and they're what am I saying? There is no names of any shadow or anything, so sorry you guys. Still got the Hoola, got the Tarteist Glow Pro palette. Lipstick today is this guy, Sao Palo, if that's how you say it, from Ofra. It's kind of worn. And then this is Fig Luster. This is from Sephora. And NYX. Let's see, what is the name of this? Nude Beige. I don't typically go for nudes, because if you can see, I kind of have no lips. They're kind of flat. Not that I don't have lips. Clearly I do. They're not prominent, as I've spoken about before. Underneath my line, you know, you just can't see. Underneath my lash line, I've got this beautiful gold liner. This is weird using my computer because it's like I need to look here, but I'm looking at myself, but I should be looking up here. I'm still very new to this, you guys. Yeah. I feel like this is too bright on my face. I'm not sure. Anyway, let's get right into it. We are going to swatch another one of my polishes here. And today we have, it's backwards, awesome, Royal Blood. Royal Blood is this like bluish, it looks very blue on here. It is very purple with a little bit of blue. So again, you guys, I'm sorry. My nails are super short. I cut them to play my guitar, and then I cut them 2 more times after that. So yeah, I've cut them about 2 or 3 times in about a week and a half because they grow so fast. What I'm going to do, as I always do, I'm going to actually take these bracelets off because they're making a lot of noise on the desk. What I always do is I swatch. I do 1 coat, and then I will go back and I will do 2 coats, and I'll just show you kind of how the polish builds up and how opaque it is to start with, and then how much more opaque it will become. So something that I love about this polish is, just as you saw on the camera, it looks blue, but here in person to my eyes, it looks very purple. It's pretty cool. When you go out in the sun, you can see that it's very purple, and it kind of has like some shimmers in it a little bit. That's just the pigment itself. And then when you're inside, it kind of looks a little bit more blue. It kind of is like a shapeshifter, I think that's the, but yeah, it's a really cool pigment, and I've also like added some color to it to give it that little bit of the shiftiness. Shiftiness is a good thing in this case when you're talking about nail polish. Oh my gosh, my nails are so short. Listen, I make nail polish. I'm not good at applying it. That's not true. I'm okay at applying it. In this case, it's getting everywhere. Anywho, so this is 1 coat. This is 1 coat of Royal Blood. My little thumb in there, but you can see from here. So you can see it's opaque, but not very, very opaque. It's kind of more on the sheer side. When you're hand making polishes, that's like Oh, I thought that was my hair. It's not, it's my teapot. So yeah, when you're making polishes, and you're hand making them, strictly hand making them, like I literally have my pigment, my glitters, I have my suspension base, I have my bottles, my little shaker balls, everything. Like it's just made one by one, handmade, strictly like DIY, made here in, well, not really, I haven't made any here in this apartment, but in the other house that I was living, I made a whole bunch in my bedroom. That's pretty much the way it goes. Making it all DIY in my bedroom. At my house in New York, that's what I did. Kitchen table or in my bedroom. All by hand. Everything measured out by hand, all that jazz. Now, on this second coat, you can see it's definitely way more opaque. I wish I kind of was outside so you can see it in the sun. It's really shimmery. Actually, maybe I'll just use like my phone flashlight. I don't know if that will work, but okay. Here we are with 2 coats. You can see like how blue it kind of looks, even though it's really very purple. Let's try it with the phone anyway. Let's see if that will work without blinding you guys. Nope, pretty much doesn't work. So here's 2 coats. Again, sorry for like my sloppy, not so great application and for the short nails. In person, you guys, this is so purple. Again, all of my polishes are 5 free, and that is free from formaldehyde, DBP, formaldehyde resin, toluene, and camphor. All of my bottles are the standard, I believe it's 0.05 or 0.5 ounces. I'm bad at remembering. I think back here, the polish looks a little bit more purple. You can see really how purpley it is. And then up here, it's crazy because it looks so blue. Yeah, so how is everyone's day? Today is Sunday. How's your Sunday going? How was your week? My week was not so bad. Excuse me. As always, thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Again, all of my polishes are listed in my Etsy shop. They're on my Facebook, they're on my Instagram. All of that will be linked down in the description below. Please make sure to subscribe, hit your notification bell so you can see when I feature a new nail polish on my channel. I really appreciate the couple of people who come and watch my videos. Pretty cool that there's even any views on them, because you just don't think that anybody's gonna care. But some of you do. I do have some views, so I really appreciate that. That's really cool. Let's be friends for real, because I love people. I think that's about it. You're cool. You're great. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. See you guys soon. Bye.